Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐸𝐬𝐬 with another tutorial whether how you can create your 𝐓𝐸𝐬𝐬.com account and share your first post. So to create your account, open your browser and visit 𝐓𝐸𝐬𝐬.com. Here, click on Join 𝐓𝐸𝐬𝐬. Well, instead of using other options, I'm creating my account using my email. Here, enter your email address and click on Continue. Now it has sent you an email with your login link. So go to your emails and click on the link. Now your account has just been created on 𝐓𝐸𝐬𝐬.com. Here under notifications, you can select some topics to personalize your feed. And instead of selecting topics, first I'm going to settings and changing my bio and logo. And if you want to share NSFW contents, you can turn on this option. And you can go to notifications to turn off the ones you don't want to receive. And under linked accounts, you can connect your other accounts too. And under account actions, you can either log out or delete your account. Now go to notifications and select some topics to personalize your feed. And if you don't see a topic, you can search and select here. And then click on Start Exploring. Now go to your profile under your profile menu. And here you can see your all activities. Well, since I don't see no option to post something here, I guess this makes it a sharing platform. So to share something, let's open YouTube and find something to share. Here, click on this ellipsis icon and select Share. Then find Mix and click on it. Then click on Submit to share your post on Mix. Now your post has just been shared on 𝐓𝐸𝐬𝐬.com. And people can interact by commenting here and liking here. Also, you can see the post and stats under your profile. Moreover, you can search topics and people here you don't see under your feed. Anyhow, this is how you can create your account on 𝐓𝐸𝐬𝐬.com and share your posts. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.